pork carnitas tacos.
Yeah, it's a little different going from La Bellevue to a Roach Coast.
And we got the truck. We're debuting the truck.
In fact, it's got the exact same kitchen we have at Barrio, only about half size.
70 mile per hour wind.
We're working with the city of Minneapolis to have these kind of things in Minneapolis. Right now, we're not able to, but except at farmers markets and that kind of thing. But in St. Paul, they're a little more on board, and it works really well. It's not a lot of fun to drive, but it's a lot of fun to be somewhere. Follow us on Twitter, Twitter and Facebook, Foursquare. We'll tweet our location. You can find us wherever we are. You know, have a little fun.